our single flatbread panini and sandwich press. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length of 12¼ inches, depth of 12 inches, and a height of 7½ inches. Measurements for the grill. We have 9 inches in length by 9¼ inches in depth. Waste tray that can be removed for cleaning. Temperature control on the bottom with your light indicator. And your 110/120 voltage, along with our SA sanitation certification sticker located on the back. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.